Hi everyone, I'm Mindy and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts August 2023 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. Our August kit release was inspired by a trip the owners took to Yosemite National Park with dies to cut out trees, mountains, plateaus, and fields of wildflowers. The classic kit includes clear 4x6 stamp set, 4 park scene fancy dies, 6 sheets of cardstock measuring 5.5 by 8.5, brass embossing powder, and gold earth-safe glitter. The premium kit includes everything from the classic kit plus a 3x4 Poppy clear stamp, 7 Poppy coordinating frame cuts, 4 sheets of Cactus Hero transfers, and a 2-tone spray. Now inside each kit, we include a card that explains the contents of each kit, and there's also 4 cards on one of the sides that helps kickstart your inspiration and creativity. The 4x6 clear stamp set included in the classic kit includes plenty of sentiments perfect for wishing someone well or happy greetings from far away. The sentiments include take time to relax and enjoy, sending smiles from far away, wishing you the best in your next adventure, get well soon, let nature be your medicine, travel more, worry less, mountains of thanks, golden, good luck, I miss you, congrats, cherish the little moments, eureka, and life is beautiful. Now the 4 park scene fancy dies include a mountain, grass, some trees, and a plateau. So here is that first layer. I like to build up my scene, so I would put the mountains in the back. The plateau you can create in a variety of colors. We have these gorgeous tall pines and then some grass for a meadow. Now keep in mind that you can use these individually or maybe just a couple of them together to completely change the whole scene. Add some ink blending or maybe some sun rays stencil in the background to really help pull that together. To add some sparkle and shine to your projects, we've included some of the brass embossing powder, so it is a gorgeous brass color. And then we also have the earth-safe glitter. We have this in a bag here that you can just tear apart the top to open that up and add some sparkle. The cardstock included in the kit is 5.5 by 8.5, and the colors are papaya, canary, kiwi, palm, mist, and woodland. Great color selection for those outdoor scenes. Now this is a look at that 3x4 Poppy clear stamp that you can stamp out and color in your favorite coloring medium, and then die cut out to add to your card fronts or crafting projects. The hero transfers have been a huge hit in the kits, so we've included 4 sheets of the hero transfers with these cactus. In that package, you're getting the wooden stick, so that helps you apply your transfer to your cardstock. All you need to do is trim out the image that you want using some fine detailed scissors, and then you'll just peel that away from the backing and place this down onto your card front so you can see what side you need. You just place that down so it is the pretty colorful side facing up, and then take your stick and just apply pressure over that area. And what I like to do is take a pair of tweezers to help pick away that little bit of transfer paper, leaving this gorgeous cactus right onto your card, and it looks so realistic. The premium kit comes with this spring green and gold 2-tone spray. Now this actually comes in a powder format. You can read the side of the bottle for the instructions, but you can see inside there it is powder. I ran to my sink and filled that up about 3/4 of the way full, and then you're going to need to shake this up really well to get that powder all mixed in with your water. Then you can get this started by pumping that a couple times until the spray comes out, and spray this over your project or your die cuts. Now this particular bottle is the spring green and gold. It has an absolutely beautiful shimmer to it, but just want to make you aware that if this particular color does run out, that the color will be substituted in your kit. Now that was an in-depth look at the classic and premium kit for August of 2023. Now we're going to take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit option. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find the inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. Become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit, receive special discounts, and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with me today.